Hello and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, those fans of the Lunar series will be excited about this one. It is the 2023 1 ounce gold proof coin from the wonderful Perth Mint. So let's get inside of this product, have a closer look. Very, very exciting. Got our lovely Lunar box there. Now it is the 4th year of the Lunar series. Very cool. I just love that little bit of plastic. Hold on, let's have a closer look. There you go. The perspex that you can see through. I think that's a really nice touch on the Perth Mint boxes. Now, of course, we've got our certificate of authenticity. Series 3. Very nice. So our technical specifications, of course, you've got a monetary value of $100 there, 49 gold, wonderful. And just some lovely images here inside of the booklet. And we've got our number there. Now this particular coin does have a maximum mintage of 1,000 pieces. Got our lovely Perth Mint cushion there, and let's have a look at the coin itself. Love that. Just that rabbit springing up in the air there. Of course, we'll get that out of the packaging and have a better look. Awesome. There we go. Just love the detail on this. Very nice. On the edge, of course. And naturally we have Queen Elizabeth II. 49 again. And $100. Let's get a better look at this piece. There we are. Lovely. Alright. Oh, look. Even better. That gold up close. The detail. Just lovely. Now the mirror finish on the coin itself is beautiful, but it is very annoying when you have to film it, that's for sure. I'm sure those of you out there who have tried to take photos or film this coin may have had some challenges. But the craftsmanship is just lovely. There we go, you can see very closely there on the obverse. Just lovely. But that rabbit, let's zoom in here. Now, of course, we've got the P for Perth Mint. Got the year of the rabbit symbol there, 2023. Just that lovely little detail, all the little individual hairs on the rabbit. Looks like it's hopping through some grass there. Springing up in the air. Looking almost hair-like, really. Very cool how they've captured it there on that coin. Very nice. So if you are born in the year of the rabbit, you're considered to be talented and ambitious. There you are. Rabbits are considered to be very popular, good companions, and distinguished to be patient. Who's patient out there? Are you a rabbit? Very nice. Now we'll pop that just in the capsule for a second because I do have something else to show you. Surprise! I also have the silver one here as well, so why not show that off? Now, of course, it's the same year, 2023. Also a 1 ounce coin, but in this particular case it's going to be the silver version. So you can see here straight away the silver box is just slightly different to the gold. It's more the standard Perth Mint box, but again you do get your certificate of authenticity, and we'll have a little look in the booklet there. Of course that's 49 silver, and the mintage here is, well, that's a maximum mintage of 7,500 pieces, but I'm told the actual mintage is 5,000 pieces. So the other ones may be involved in sets and things like that. Alrighty, getting into the piece itself. Let's have a little look. Oh, now the silver version, I have to say, is a lot sweeter. I think they look more like bunnies on there. Yes, technically they are rabbits, but they just look like sweet little bunnies. So going over to the obverse again, of course, Queen Elizabeth II, 4.9 silver, as we said before. Let's get a little bit closer. Let's get a better look. Get it out of the capsule here. Excellent. And here we go. We'll just have to try and hold it the best angle possible not to get the reflection. Because they really are like mirrors. These Perth Mint pieces construct so nicely. Just that lovely little bit of, I believe that'll be a blossom tree going over. Two bunnies sitting there in the grass. Of course, a $1 face value on this coin. Very nice. Just lovely. Look at them. Sweet little bunnies. That one standing up on the side, perhaps sniffing that little branch, having a snack. Very nice. Also, rabbits are known for their sense of art. And they often make the right decisions based on their instincts. It's a very good trait to have. Lovely. Just lovely. Well, once again, you've got to give it to the Perth Mint. They do a wonderful job when it comes to their Lunar series. Let's have the two coins side by side here. And now we can see that we are looking at the 2023 Year of the Rabbit. This is the third series of the Australian Lunar series from the Perth Mint. And this is the fourth year, so we're up to the rabbit in this particular Series 3. And of course, these coins are available by www.emk.com.